Hi everyone, Max here from Audiologic and welcome to Tech Tuesdays. This week we're going to take a look at the Ecler mixers and matrix ranges and the applications that they fit into. First off, let's take a look at the purpose of a mixer. As the name would suggest, a mixer combines multiple different inputs and can mix them together to either one or multiple outputs. Mixers often form the center of modern audio systems, as we are often dealing with multiple inputs such as microphones and program material, as well as multiple outputs such as speakers and recorders. Mixers can take many forms in either analog or digital form and are now often incorporated within other devices such as DSP, short for digital signal processing. So let's start with some simple analog mixers. The Ecler SAM, eSAM and Compact series are all analog installation mixers, and we've got an example here of the Ecler eSAM 402. Each range offers multiple input and output counts, so they can be scaled depending on your application needs. These are very simple to set up, with controls on the front of the units to determine the level of each input sent to each output. This is perfect for situations where the end user may not be experienced in AV and it's unlikely to be changing sources all the time. Although simple, these mixers have a great couple of features to extend their capabilities, such as a priority input, which can be used to lower background music levels when a paging microphone goes live for announcements. We use these all the time in the hospitality and education sectors for venues such as gyms, bars, schools, the list goes on. Next up, we have the digital audio mixer range, or DAM for short. The DAM 614 has a lot more features than the analog mixers. Now we are in the digital realm, we also have DSP, meaning that we can tweak and edit our signals. For this, we use the Ecler Comp Manager programming software, which is a simple to use configuration tool to assist integrators with the optimization of the system, introducing standard features such as EQ, dynamic processing, delay and feedback suppression. For applications with a larger input and output count requirements, we can move to the new Ecler Hub range of matrices. The Hub range has two options, the 1616, which is 16 in and 16 out, or the 1408, which we have here with us, which is 14 inputs and 8 outputs. As you can see, this gives us way more inputs and outputs and allows us to do larger systems, such as entire sports centers or schools. The Hub series are programmed with the Ecler Pilot app and web-based application, designed for easy configuration, while still giving control of volume and source to end users, whether from their phones or from a wall panel. Finally, we have the MIMO range, the fully fledged DSP matrix and processor. The MIMO range offers the most features out of Ecler's mixers and brings the option for touchscreens, third-party control and conferencing. The MIMO range has multiple size options, with the latest being the MIMO 4040DN, which we have with us here today. The 4040 incorporates a Dante chipset, meaning that we can receive or send additional channels over standard Ethernet network, massively increasing the capabilities of the device. Ecler's most advanced software, EclerNet Manager, is what we use for configuring these processors and peripherals. You can even integrate Ecler's video products into a design to allow a single DSP for your ecosystem. If you have any applications you would like to discuss, feel free to get in touch and we can put together a design that's suitable for you. See you next time!